Scared. What's up, everybody, man? Y'all know who I be. It's your man, Pooh, CYGG. And today, I'm about to be reacting to Stompin, BBC Choppa, Me versus Me, gay paired by your boy, Colossal, Team Clutch, man. Link to the original video will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to be notified whenever I'm making a video. With that being said, I also have a message at the end of the video that I'll be letting you guys know. With that being said, let's jump into this video. I'm not prepared. You know, I just don't know where this is gonna go. There's an eggplant on the book. I guess this the gay hip hop version of Death Note. Where they just write your name in it and then they come find you and do stuff. That's my interpretation so far. I don't know.
I be pulling up on niggas. I be stopping all the niggas' booty holes with my fucking dick, nigga.
I just said they find you and they do something, and that's how he started off by saying he be pulling up on that it's the gay hip hop Death Note. So yep.
I shove my dick right up in they fucking spleen. Crack they spine, my nigga. Got the scoliosis and juice a dick, nigga. Dick in his back, I'm prolapsing these niggas. That man stole my ex and was fucking that nigga. His dick looking bigger, that shit made me jealous. When I catch him lacking, I really should kill him.
You gonna kill a person for having a bigger peen. I feel like somewhere micro peens are like, yeah, this nigga preaching right now. This nigga spitting. I feel like I feel like his micro peens everywhere. It's like, yeah, he's spitting right now. Okay.
I ain't like that cause his penis is shriveled. I see through these bitches like Snapchat filters. I'm booty bogard and since his ass dreaming, I'll never miss a cock when I'm trying to sick him. Been with the pipe since I came out my mother. I'm CJ McCollum, drop balls at the buzzer. You can ask my brother how niggas get felt up like gushers. When they feel my snake, I'm busting. I like them, I fuck them, they pretty, they tuck them. I fucked them over, then I fucked on this brother. I never use rubbers, he gotta feel it uncovered. He say he in love when I slut him, but I never.
He gotta feel it uncovered. I'm not gonna lie, it's like it's so much being said. The beat go hard, man. I ain't gonna even cap, man. The beat like going hard. But I don't want to bob my head to it because it's like what's being said to it. You know what I'm saying? The beat dope though. You know what, go.
Never cuff him, penis, fly.
The hell was that? Did you really make that sound effect?
I slut him, but I never cuff him. Penis, fly.
You did. You did a whole go. How?
Like Peter Pan, bitch, you know I love a man. Big black scat man, got penis throbbing. And dick got a wingspan, laying down like he on the beanbag. Fuck the whole crew, where's team man? Mouth sloppy goop when I shoot on his tooth like a deuce. Let loose in the slop mailman. Finger fuck the food, I caboose. Aim his duck like a goose. Aiming at his roof, shoot like a madman. Sending on my scat, where's body at? When I thirst for it, bring that motherfucker back. Please take me to jail, I want all of that. I be double fisting, wielding double sacks.
And you're so into it, you're ready to go to prison. Like you're feeding it for the men in jumpsuits.
But I felt on this body, he didn't even know it. Free BBC, bitch, we on the low, you know how that go. Me and my brother love serving that throat. Prolapsing these niggas that missed on my ex and was fucking that nigga. His dick looking bigger, that shit made me jealous. When I catch him lacking, I really should kill him. I ain't like that cause his penis is shriveled. I see through these bitches like Snapchat filters. I'm booty bogard and since his ass dreaming, I'll never miss a cock when I'm trying to sick him. Been with the pipe since I came out my mother. I'm CJ McCollum, drop balls at the buzzer. You can ask my brother how niggas get felt up like gushers. When they feel my snake, I'm busting. I like them, I fuck them, they pretty, they tuck them. I fucked them over, then I fucked on this brother. I never use rubbers, he got a fit.
This is one aggressive hook. This is probably the most aggressive hook I done heard.
Feel it uncovered. He say he in love when I slut him, but I never cuff him. Never cuff him, never wipe. The only thing he get is pipe. Tell him that we got a date today, but he getting dick tonight. No, it ain't right. He telling me he need me in his life, but I'm with his friend Shiesty. Catching me without some pipe, unlikely. I love when I fuck with a mic and a Ike. Turning up, I'm cocked.
With a mic and an Ike. Okay. I see what he did there with the candies. I'm not gonna say nothing.
Booty getting global, niggas on my crutch, suck it since I'm local. Take your meat and slap me, never lose your focus. Told bro to top me, so much net unloaded. Which one you boys the boldest? Reach for my bro, he jacking, he posing. Reach for the badass, die slow motion, leaving them stuck hypnosis. Took the pride he was holding, dick.
It's like the way he just said dick, like it's like you. All right, let's just say you in an interrogation room, right? Like let's just wait a minute. Okay, I don't want it to repeat that often, but let's just say you're in an interrogation room, right? And they're like, you like, okay, which one of these people took your wallet? And it's like, you know for certain who took your wallet. What you guys? Colossal went in the studio. Colossal went in the interrogation room and was like, hey, which one of these guys stole your wallet? That's basically what it was like. Like that's how I envisioned him saying that. Like he almost said it like he was just letting people know who did it by their penis. Like I don't know. I don't know. God have mercy.
The life that these gay niggas ask about, let's take a lie detector. Straight niggas capping now, graduated from the sheets with a cap and gown. First degree on my body count. Hey, how many we pipe? Get a head count. Make bro recount, get the right count. Fat nigga, he shattered my bed now. Taking this back, I'm prolapsing these niggas that missed on my ex and was fucking that nigga. His dick looking bigger, that shit made me jealous. When I catch him lacking, I really should kill him. I ain't like that, cause his penis is shriveled. I see through these bitches like Snapchat filters. I'm booty more guard and since his ass dreaming, I'll never miss a cop.
Imagine driving somewhere rapping this hook. Like that.
Been with the pipe since I came out my mother. I'm CJ McCollum, drop balls at the buzzer. You can ask my brother how niggas get filtered like gushers. So when they feel my snake, I'm busting. I like them, I fuck them, they pretty, they tuck them. I fucked them over, then I fucked on his brother. I never use rubbers, he gotta feel it uncovered. He say he in love when I slut him, but I never cuff him.
And that disrespectful ass fart that he let out at the end. So much to uncover besides what's being uncovered in the hook. I don't know how to feel about it. The beat was nice. Just so much. I got the witness Colossal point out a villain by a vivid description. Let me know what else you guys want me to react to, man. Who else y'all want me to react to, man? Until next time, it's your man, Pooh. CYGG. Oh, also, I want to say, man, I understand that my upload schedule has been crazy, man. I want to let you guys know that stuff has been going on. Stuff has been happening. I'm trying to get back to my regular upload schedule and not let too many outside things affect my channel. Because, you know, I feel like y'all as my subscribers don't deserve that, man. You guys support me constantly, man. I love you. I love all of my subscribers. I love the unwavering support that y'all give me. And I do need to step it up, and I do need to do better, man. I had so many things in the works, and I let it all fall to the wayside. And I really need to do better, man. I really do plan on getting better, and I just ask for some positivity from you guys, some love from you guys, prayers from you guys, and constant, you know, uplift from you guys, man, so I can be able to get that content and make you guys' day, and be also, you know, able to get back into that, you know, happy place of getting content out every day, man. So until then, man, it's your man Pooh, CYGG, and I'm out.